Assalamu alaikum. This is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can delete a comment. And first of all, you have to check that where is the comment. You just need to come that cell and right click on that cell, and here is the option of delete comment. So I will just make it delete. So when I choose that option, the comment will be vanish. So this is the way by which you can delete the comments. And the one more thing is that is you just need to subscribe my channel, and you can learn a lot of things as per your need. So this is all for this tutorial. Inshallah, see you in the next one. In next one we are going to learn that is what is the option of wrap text and how we can use it, and what are the benefits of wrap text. So see you in the next one. Thank you.